ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to describe the unique history of what you are about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian performers to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. In 2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this popular program flying. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of Air Force history from the days of the Army Air Corps to present. What started as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now heritage flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Please turn with me now and watch as this rare formation approaches from behind and to the right.
All the way up too.
I don't know what's going on. It was loud yesterday.
Yeah, it was loud as heck yesterday.
It was fine yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, well, they did show some. That's good.
Is that yours now or two?
years have helped preserve America's freedom. We hope you enjoy watching this rare formation of classic and current United States Air Force aircraft on our journey from heritage to horizons. Ladies and gentlemen, your United States Air Force Heritage Flight. We hope you enjoyed watching and taking pride in this rare information of more than 80 years of air-powered heritage. Tuna Hainline comes in with a P-51 for one last pass. Everybody wave goodbye and thank him for his time here. Everybody say bye, Tuna! Gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration. We hope you enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-22's full combat capability. On behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Ken Wilbach, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance, thank you for your patriotism, and thank you for your support. Raptors out!
Ladies and gentlemen, now a big round of applause for the F-22. Wow, man. What an afternoon we are having here at the Wings Over South Texas Air Show, being presented by Thomas J. Henry Law. What an afternoon. We're having way too much fun right now. And the fun continues. We still got more to go, ladies and gentlemen. How about
We got
Skip Stewart with us?
right,
Skip is getting ready for an incredible performance in an aircraft he calls Prometheus. It's one incredible aircraft.